guys, welcome to another video. So today we have got our second Temu order to take a look at. Now I've had this a few days now and I've been dying to have a look in it, but I've been a really good girl because I've kind of forgot what I've ordered, so yeah, I wanted it to be a surprise for me as well. There's also a couple of bits from Aliexpress in here as well. I thought I would just show you them while I'm at it because there's only a couple of bits from Ali. So I think I'm going to show you the Ali bits first. Like I always do as well, I shall leave the links to everything that I show you today in my description box. And I shall leave a note on the screen of the prices that I paid. So I'm just going to pop the bag to the side of me and I'm just going to pull bits out of it. So the first thing from AliExpress is these really cute decals. I was a little bit gutted actually because I thought these was actually stickers, but they're decals. But either way, they are really, really cute. Look at them. Just here for the treats. I love these little dessert ones. What does that say? Princess in Training. I love this heartbeat one as well. Some really cool ones there, isn't there? So yeah, I like them, but I just wish they was stickers. And then I got these ones from the same listing, which are all different teeny tiny gonks. Again, I really like these because they're small, but because they're so small, the detail's not that great on them. I really like this with a love heart. We've got some like autumny ones, another autumny one. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but it's got like a couple of autumn leaves in his hat. There's quite a few different ones on there. And again, they're decals as well, which I thought they were stickers, but hey ho. So we got those. And then this turned up. Look at the size of this packaging. And now look what's inside it. But actually, when I think about it, it's a really good idea. So these are teeny tiny magnets. Can you actually see how small they are? Can you see how teeny tiny they are? They are so diddy. Now, there's a reason that I bought these, and I was going to get the bigger ones, but then I thought, actually, no, why not get the smaller ones? And then I can use them for what I want to use them for, but I can also use them in nail art as well. And look how tiny that is. That is actually 2. Yeah, maybe I didn't think they was going to be this small. So that is actually 2 on top of each other. Can you see that? They are so small. But the reason that I bought these are for... Now, I definitely didn't need this many either, so I'll probably send some of these to my mate. So the reason I wanted these is so I can stick them on my tip cutters. And when you come to cut your nail, obviously not that length, but... So pop them on the tip cutters like that. Then you would pop your fingernail in there. The magnets stop your finger from going any further. And all your nails are going to be the exact same length. How cool is that? Now, I did buy one of these tip cutters where it's got like a dial on it. And I think I used it twice and they broke. They was absolutely crap. So I thought I would give this way a try. But yeah, I thought that was a really good idea with these being in that box. Because it's going to stop them getting lost in the post, sticking to something metallic. Because actually, for a teeny tiny magnet, they're really, really strong. Let me see if I can show you how strong they are. See how strong they are? They're just strong little things they are. Well happy with them. And they were super cheap as well, so buzzing. And then the last thing that I've had from AliExpress turn up is these gorgeous brushes. Now these look like really good brushes. So this is the smallest one to start with, and they're double-ended brushes as well. So look how fine those bristles are. And they've got that really nice metal barrel on them as well, which is going to keep the bristles all in shape. And I love that they've got lids. Look at that teeny tiny one. Oh wow, that is teeny tiny. That's going to be great for doing some really intricate work or filling in any lines, any gaps or anything. So that's the shortest one. This is the next one up. So I'm hoping that I'm going to get on really well with these. Now we're moving on to more like liner brushes. Yeah, I'm hoping I get on really well with these and I can throw all my old brushes out. That's quite a nice length. I can see me using that a lot for swells and smile lines and things. But they just feel so fine. And then we got this one. Look how fine that is. So I've got a lot of brushes that I don't really, this is the longest one. Really nice length. Yeah, I've got a lot of brushes that I've had for a couple of years now, but I don't want to get rid of them. But I'm sick of them not having lids. Most of my old brushes haven't got lids. So I'm hoping I'm going to get on with all of these and I can replace these for my old ones. And just have those from now on. Right, what else we got? Oh yeah, so the rest of this is from Temu. Oh yeah. Now this was an absolute bargain. Unfortunately, guys, they put the price up. But, sorry, I don't mean to deafen you. But it is still cheap for how many sleeves you get. So this is what I keep my stickers in. Look at all of these sleeves. So you get 100 sleeves. 100, you know. Look at all those. So yeah, even though the price has gone up on that, it is still really, really cheap. Then I got some more long coffin nail tips, because these are my most used tips. I'm always getting low on the odd sizes of these. I think it's usually size 4 and 5 I get really low on. Ooh, they're really flexible. They're the ones where you can bend them and that line disappears. Ooh, they feel really good quality, you know. And they're a really, really nice shape. I like these. In fact, these are nicer than what I ordered off Ali a while ago. Yeah, they look nice. Well happy with them. Then we've got some stickers. I used to love Care Bear growing up. How cute are they? They look really good quality as well. And I'm pleased that these have turned up and they are actually stickers. Well happy with those. Then I've got some more stickers. Now you get 2 in this pack. I really like these black and white ones. Look, I like that. Let me, that's better. I like that. Fuck love. Like a boss. Love that. Yeah, I like them. Then we got these ones. Pretty. And then I got some Halloween stickers. I thought, I haven't got a lot of Halloween stickers actually. And these are really cool. And for 44 pence, can you really go wrong? Be rude not to, wouldn't it? That's cool. Love that Scream one. Look at the ghost. The ghost looks a little bit sad. Yeah, they're cool. I like them. Oh, look at that spider. That's cool. So we've got those ones. Then we've got these ones. Now, the main reason I like these is I love that with the cannabis leaves. And I really liked these hands with the blood coming off them. Thought they was really smart. Look at the butterfly on the skull. Yeah, they're smart, aren't they? And then lastly, we've got this one. So we've got little pumpkin heads. Look at the Mickey pumpkin head. That's cute. So cute. You know I'm going to have to do some badass Halloween designs this year, don't you? Yeah, I like them. So that's all the stickers. Then I've got another new stamping plate. I don't know why, because I haven't even tried the last ones yet. I am going to do a video on them stamping plates to see what they're like, see how they work. So this one, I really liked this snake print effect. I really liked that. And I really like this as well. That would look really smart going down the middle of a nail, wouldn't it? I like that. So I am going to do a video on that this week, guys, actually. Then I picked up a red metallic glitter because, believe it or not, I haven't got just a plain red metallic fine glitter. So for 44 pence, I thought I'd grab one of them. Ooh, I forgot about this. So I got this Polygel because it is a colour changing Polygel. So I thought I'd buy one to start with and see what it's like. And if it's any good, I might buy a couple of these. So we'll give that a swatch at the end of the video, see what it's like. Then I got one of these. I've been dying to see what these are like. So these are the, can you see it better on the back probably? Oh, it's so pretty. It's those fire opal flakies. I really wanted to try that because I've seen some really beautiful designs with these being used. And it was really cheap as well. I've seen some listings for these and they're really expensive. When I saw the price of them, I thought, oh, I'll try them, see if they're the same idea. But they definitely are the same idea, definitely. So the last 4 items are rings for a practice hand. Wait until you see this one. This is so cool. I just had to have it. How cool is that ring? That is so cool. The minute I saw it, I knew I had to have that. And I think that's going to look really smart on like a 3D mouth design. I like that. Really smart. Cute. So, sticking with the silver rings first, we've got all of these. Now, the only reason I mainly bought these was for, I quite like that mushroom ring. But it was this. How beautiful is that? I've not seen anything like that. Really, really pretty. Yeah, I thought that would be quite cool as like a cuticle kind of ring. Cute, aren't they? So these are the first gold ones. So they've got all pink gems inside. I really like this yin and yang with the pink and white love heart. That is really smart. So yeah, this is a pink collection. And then lastly, we got these orange ones. These are really cool. I love this one. I really like this as well. That's cute as well. It's got a little butterfly sticking up on it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Yeah, you can see it there, look. It's quite cute as well. They're all really, really cute actually. I'm really, really happy with them. I want to start buying all these different colours now. They've got brown, blue, purple. I've got loads more in my basket ready to buy. Because they're so cheap, it'd just be rude not to, wouldn't it? So that is all the rings. Right, so that is everything, guys. I'm just going to swatch this Polygel very quickly. And then that'll be the end of the video. So the colour of this one is T02. And it's like a jellyish red sort of colour. I tell you what, it feels like a really nice Polygel actually. It doesn't feel too sticky. Yeah, it feels really nice. So it's like a jelly red sort of colour. Oh, can you see that air bubble in the middle? That's bugging me already. I'm not going to fanny about with it because I'll be here all day else. So let's pop it in the lamp. See what colour it changes to, shall we? Oh, so it goes to like a milky white, nearly clear when it's warm. Oh, see, I did a very, very thin layer of that. Can you see? Now, you could build that up and the red would be a lot more intense. And I think this would be much more of a milkier white as well. See if you can you kind of see? I think it would be a much milkier white. If you was to do a kind of layer what you would on your nails, yeah, I think that would be a much milkier white. I'll have to do something with that and have a proper look at it. But I just wanted to give you a kind of idea of what the colour's like. So that is everything, guys. Like I said earlier, I shall leave the links for everything in my description box. So if there's anything that you've seen, you can go over and take a look at it. Just remember to double check the prices as well, guys, because like this, obviously, for instance, the price has gone up. So just make sure you check the prices before you pay for them. Also, like I said earlier, I will be doing a video this week trying these stamping plates as well from Temu to see what they like. If they work, they are dirt cheap. Oh, and I forgot about this as well. Beautiful opal flakies. So yeah, that's everything, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.